What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of King Customs, and on today's episode we are going to be talking about the 5.3 and why does it have low oil pressure. So let's jump right into it. Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy Ryan here, so thank you all for joining. If you're new to my channel, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button and also hit the like button on the bottom for me. So let us jump right into it. So this was a question from one of my viewers: why does the 5.3 tend to get low oil pressure? And there is a few things that can happen that can deliver this problem, so let us get right into it. So the first thing is you can be having a problem with your stepper motor, which is in the gauges, and that can be defective, which causes your gauge to get stuck or get stuck at a low oil pressure setting, and it's gonna potentially make you think that there's a problem when it could be just your stepper motor that's going out in the gauge cluster. Another thing could also be your oil pressure switch. You should check that, make sure that it is functioning properly, make sure that it's plugged in, because you can also have an issue with the wiring on the wire harness. So just you want to double check to make sure everything's plugged in, there's no cuts or anything, because animals do tend to crawl up in there, get in the back, and they like to chew on wires. I don't know why, they just love to do it. Another thing that can be an issue is your oil pump. It could be failing, and then when you're pressing on the gas, it shoots it up with some life and it's just going. So failing oil pumps can be that issue, as well as the o-ring. If the o-ring is deteriorated and bad enough, it can be sucking in air into the oil pump, which causes a little jolt in the pressure, and it'll show that you have low oil pressure. Also, if you neglect your motor and you don't change the oil on time, it can build up clumps, and that can also cause clogs and stuff like that, so the flow wouldn't be working as properly as it should. So basically those are some of the things that can be wrong with it. Now, in the extreme cases, engine failure. When you have a lot of wear and tear in your motor, oil is just going all over the place, and that is the cause of low oil pressure. So there's a few things that you can check before and just go through your steps. You can also check online. Google has a lot that can help you with. Some of my videos will have a lot that it can help you with. So I hope you guys enjoyed this really quick episode. If you guys have any questions, please make sure that you leave a comment in the comment section below. Me or one of the other viewers will definitely jump in to give you guys a hand. And if you are new to this channel, again, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button, as well as give this video a like for the YouTube algorithm to help boost this channel up in YouTube. And with that being said, guys, I will see y'all for the next video. Peace out and stay safe.